for a long time, so I thought it would bring me forward. Did you want to add some remarks to House Bill 1191?
No, actually, Madam Chair, thank you so much, but actually, Nathan Woodley-Stanley, the Executive Director from the ACLU, spoke on behalf of the ACLU, and I'm just here to monitor what happens next.
Okay, thank you.
But thank you so much. Oh,
We have a question here, Representative Clinton-Smith.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I was hoping someone from the ACLU would maybe come back, because I did have a question about the privacy provisions. Can you answer a question about the bill?
Lucky me, Representative.
Yes, thank you. This bill creates 5 new rights, and I think I'm okay with A, B, C, and D. But it was brought to my attention that E, which is on page 6, line 7, talks about the right to reasonable expectation of privacy on one's personal property in public spaces. So I think I know what privacy is, and I think I understand the legal nuance of a reasonable expectation of privacy. But somebody pointed out to me this could, perhaps unintendedly so, legalize nude sunbathing. And I'm not saying this as a joke. They brought this to me and they said, listen, if you're on a mat and you're on a hillside, do you have a reasonable expectation of privacy in a public place? And can people suddenly be naked in downtown Denver if they're...
You fool.
Forgive me if it's an inappropriate question, but I know you're a lawyer, you're an expert on privacy. Could you address if that's reasonable or not?
Ms. Maes?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Representative Kliney-Schmidt, I can clearly and very comfortably and confidently say no, that would not vest that right. I can also speak to what the intent of this provision is, which is really kind of an interesting thing that I think you've heard a number of people testify to, is there is a tendency when there are belongings left in certain places that police will come and do a sweep of person's property, and that frankly is a violation of due process rights in person's property, and this is simply intending to codify that provision.
Thank you. Further questions?
And it goes, you know, there's their sleeping bags, their tents, they take their things, which are personal property.
Thank you.
Thank you.